from the opulent trip of the future. Greetings. Put away your knowledge of RVs. In 2026, the British luxury giant Bentley daringly enters uncharted ground with its camper design. This is more than just a car. It's a statement. Think of a sophisticated beast that embodies the essence of Bentley. The massive, distinctive alloy wheels, the flowing body lines that are enhanced with carbon fiber and rich chrome, and the iconic big matrix grills on either side of the sleek adaptive LED headlights. Despite the massive size, Bentley's characteristic elegance and speed remain. Beneath all of that luxury lies a power plant that is as impressive. A state-of-the-art plug-in hybrid drivetrain, consisting of a powerful electric motor and a twin-turbocharged V6 or V8 engine optimized for efficiency and power, is expected to power the 2026 Bentley Motorhome. The total output may provide over 700 horsepower and massive amounts of instant torque, even for a large automobile, ensuring flawless and seamless acceleration. Due to its all-electric range, it would also go swiftly and without emitting any emissions. It's the perfect combination of style, functionality, and environmental awareness. The dashboard welcomes you as a technological and aesthetic wonder as soon as you step inside. The main attraction is an ultra-wide, curved touchscreen infotainment display that spans nearly the entire length of the dashboard and combines vehicle controls, 3D navigation, and an inventive infotainment system. It has the best leather, hand stitching, polished chrome or aluminum hardware, and lovely burr wood inlays. The fully configurable digital instrument panel displays all pertinent data in an intelligible style. When buttons are constructed of solid metal, they are one-of-a-kind works of art with a pleasant tactile sensation. The inside living area is a luxurious, mobile lounge. Electrically changeable and extremely pleasant are thick quilted leather seats and couches. Options include a dining table that folds and hides, a big L-shaped sofa, or even swivel captain seats. Unobstructed views are provided by large panoramic side windows with electrically adjustable opacity. A unique audio system from a reputable provider produces concert-quality music, and movable LED ambient lighting creates the perfect ambience. You are in a tranquil sanctuary as soon as you go into the bedroom. An orthopedic mattress particularly designed for a king-size bed is covered with the finest silk linens. There is a walk-in wardrobe with lots of storage drawers and inside lighting to meet all your needs. You can also adjust the lighting, window shades, and temperature with a touch-sensitive control panel next to the bed. And there's a hidden flat-screen TV that only switches on when needed. The calm environment and isolation from the outer world provide a good night's sleep. The bathroom is your own haven, designed to the standards of a 5-star hotel. It has heated marble floors, 2 sinks with gold or chrome faucets, and an advanced smart toilet. Consistent water pressure is provided by the rain shower head and body jets of the full-size shower. Bright illumination, advanced ventilation, and an anti-fog mirror complete the invigorating shower experience, providing unparalleled comfort on the road. Despite being a culinary heaven, the Bentley Motorhome's kitchen is both fashionable and functional. The worktops are made of marble or high-quality quartz. Built-in kitchen appliances from popular companies like Gaggenau and Sub-Zero include full-size refrigerators and freezers, induction cooktops, convection ovens, microwaves, and dishwashers. Included are an integrated espresso maker, a wine chiller, and a ton of well-built cabinet storage with soft-close mechanisms. With this kitchen, you can prepare delectable meals from any location.